Before we start, we would like to strongly point out that this tutorial is only for a chair with a one-piece sling. If you have a different type of chair, please contact us. We will now demonstrate how to properly measure one-piece chair sling. You can use a metal or a cloth tape measure. On the top part of the chair, place the tape measure in the center of the left rail across to the center of the right rail, measuring the visible fabric. You can now do the exact same thing for the bottom width of the chair. Now let's measure the length. At the top of the rail, place the tape measure between the end cap and the rail, keeping it flushed against the rail. Bring the tape measure down between the rail and the other end cap. Please follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.